Item hash SCP-4366. Object Class Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Due to the social nature of SCP-4366, instances in the wild are to remain in the forests of Reykjavik, Iceland, and have reduced social interaction beyond its own species. A field of exclusion, disguised as a strict no-hunting nature reserve, has been set up surrounding the Leardalur Valley. Any large, shining objects are to be kept away from these forests due to the risk of SCP-4366 instances taking them away. Description: SCP-4366 are a species of large avian organisms believed to be one of the few species ever recorded to have developed anti-mimetic camouflage, one as a way to ward off predators, giving the species a better chance at survival. However, this perceptual camouflage goes away upon expiration of the organism. The species is native and endemic to the forests of the Leardalur Valley in Reykjavik, Iceland. SCP-4366 is currently the largest flying species on record and is believed to have been around since the Pleistocene epoch II. SCP-4366 organisms range from black to dark brown in coloration, have a wingspan of over 6.8 to 7.2 meters, and weighs 98 to 127 kg. The species has a pseudobeak and 6 eyes with 3 on each side of the head. SCP-4366 lacks a need to eat, drink, or sleep, but breathe through gills located on the underside of the wings, which are capable of diffusing sound, presumably to decrease chances of getting caught by predators. They are capable of taking in nitrogen from the atmosphere and converting it into oxygen as a waste product. SCP-4366 are capable of vocalization. Sounds made from SCP-4366 organisms are made at a higher frequency than humans are capable of hearing. Vocalizations are described as high-pitched purring and clicking noises, which seem to indicate a form of communication between other SCP-4366 instances. SCP-4366 have also been known to take large objects that reflect light. The reason for this is unknown. 3.